Breadcrumb AI is a brand new software that's making waves in the AI space right now. If you've been on the hunt for the latest and greatest in AI tools, this is definitely something you'll want to keep an eye on. In this review, I'm going to go over the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about Breadcrumb AI before you dive in. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll have all the insights you need to make an informed decision about whether this software is right for you. Before we jump in, just know that you can try Breadcrumb AI completely free using the first link in the description below. That's right, you can explore its full capabilities at no cost. Now, let's get into it. First up, Breadcrumb AI is all about streamlining your business processes with a powerful blend of automation and intelligence. It's designed to help businesses make better decisions faster. Whether you're a small startup or an established enterprise, Breadcrumb AI can help you leverage data in ways that you've probably never seen before. What sets Breadcrumb AI apart from other tools is its focus on user-friendliness. This software is built with a clean, intuitive interface that doesn't require a deep technical background to start using. You can integrate it with your existing systems quickly and see real results almost immediately. No steep learning curve, which is a huge plus if you're short on time. One of the key features that I want to highlight is Breadcrumb AI's ability to analyze data in real time. Unlike traditional analytics tools that offer insights after the fact, Breadcrumb AI gives you live, actionable data as you go. This means that you can make data-driven decisions instantly, without having to wait for reports or manual analysis. Another important aspect of Breadcrumb AI is its versatility. It's not just for one specific industry or use case. Whether you're into e-commerce, marketing, or any other field that relies on data-driven decisions, Breadcrumb AI adapts to your needs. The software can handle complex data sets, yet it presents them in a way that's easy to understand and act on. For those who are really into automation, Breadcrumb AI shines here too. It can automate a lot of the repetitive tasks that take up so much of your time. Imagine having an AI assistant that can handle things like lead tracking, customer segmentation, and even content creation without you lifting a finger. This level of automation frees you up to focus on the creative and strategic parts of your business. What's also impressive about Breadcrumb AI is its scalability. Whether you're just getting started or you're already running a large-scale operation, the software scales with you. You won't need to worry about hitting a limit or outgrowing the platform. Breadcrumb AI can evolve with your business, making it a long-term solution. One final point I want to mention is the software's ability to integrate with other tools and platforms seamlessly. If you're already using software like CRM systems, project management tools, or social media platforms, Breadcrumb AI can easily work alongside them. This means you're not locked into a single ecosystem, which is a huge advantage in today's multi-platform world. To sum it all up, Breadcrumb AI is one of the most exciting new tools to hit the market, and it really delivers on its promises. If you're looking for a powerful, user-friendly, and scalable AI tool to help you make smarter business decisions, this is definitely one to check out. Don't forget, if you want to try Breadcrumb AI for free, just hit the first link in the description below. I've also got a list of my personally recommended AI tools down there. After trying thousands of AI softwares, these are the ones I believe deliver the most value. Check them out and start transforming the way you work today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.